Hi, it's Chris. Welcome to this beginner's guitar lesson. Today we're learning Friends by Anne-Marie. If you would like to learn the chord versions of these songs, I've made a separate video which can be found on my channel. I'll link it in the description box below. And if you do enjoy this lesson, please subscribe. And slowly. We're going to start by playing the second top string, 2 strings down, with an open fret, meaning you don't press any fingers on the fretboard. And you want to deaden the sound by placing the palm of your hand on the strings. Then it's fret number 3, also on the second string, so 1, 2, 3. And then it's fret 1 on the top string. And then on the bottom string, string number 1, it's fret 5 to fret number 4.